This is love. This is doggo love.
जड़ी मुझे याद तेरी जैसी जैसे दारू देसी खट्टी मीठी बातें हैं नशे सी जैसे दारू देसी Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm on my way, waiting for my lift, heading to my studio. Then I'll continue the vlog, so keep watching. This is the big elevator and I hate this elevator. I love elevator with mirror, but that's all. So since you guys were asking me about how I shoot my videos and you wanted to see some behind the scenes, so I quickly made this time lapse for you guys so that you can understand how I make content for beauty brands, and that's how I shoot every single time when I'm shooting content for brands. And this is how I set up my face and change my backdrops and lights and adjust them with the camera and everything. So enjoy the video. So guys, I'm quickly having dinner in between my shoots. That's how I work. ये जो खाना खाया कौन खाएगा? ये खाना खाओ, ये खाना खाओ पहले. Come, finish करो खाना. खाना finish करो. Eat this. Okay, okay, I got it. I'll love you later. पहले finish this food. Finish this food. Finish this food. No, finish this food. Okay, finish this food. Okay. Love me later. First finish this food, okay? Be a good boy. Yeah. पहले finish food, then play. इसको पैर पे भी लगा हुआ है. No. क्या? नो मेरे बाल मत खींचो, गंदे बच्चे. लो.
अरे थर्ड वाले को देना. ये बिल्ली है.
बाहर भी शिफ्ट करके आए.
ये बिल्ली है. बिल्ली किधर ही तो बिल्ली है, मतलब आवाज आ रही.
Sky waiting to go outside क्योंकि बाहर सब डिनर कर रहे हैं एंड इसका मोस्ट फेवरेट चीज़ बनी है एंड ही wants to go out and eat but he can't because I locked him inside. Sorry, you can't go. You can't. You want to go? Okay. You want to go? Oh, my baby. The only reason I'm not letting him go outside because he disturbs everyone and then he doesn't let anyone eat. And फिर क्या होता है इसका है? Why are not allowed? कितना दुख है. Oh, so much pain. Tell everyone that you want to go. Oh, you really want to go? I'm so sorry. Oh my god, my baby wants to go, wants to eat. You want chicken? Look at him, what he's doing. He loves to. Chalo. I'm serious, chalo. Chalo, Sky. Let's go. You want to go? Give me a high five. दोनों हाथ से. He's convincing to take him out, which I'm not going to, of course. You want to go? Oh my god, how he's looking at me. He's so cute. He's a human baby. He is just like a human baby. He behaves like a human baby. He responds like a human baby. I never imagined in my wildest dream that I'll have a pet who can actually like literally communicate with me. And he's not expressive to everyone, but he's so expressive to me. If I'm asking him something, वो immediate respond करता है मेरी बात को, and he understand what I'm talking about, which is like priceless thing. Like he's not human, but he understand. He quickly respond to me, and I mean I don't know what I've done to deserve this guy. Like it's just unbelievable. So cute. I think you guys must be thinking ये पागल हो गई है and she's hyping it so much, but this is me every single day, crushing over my own pet all the time. Even if I'm working, he's always in my head and I'm always thinking what he must be doing, you know. And जो सबसे ज़्यादा you know मुझे bother करती हो चीज़, when I'm not home, he just skip his meal, he doesn't eat. So उसको आदत है मेरे हाथ से खाने की, तो कभी कभी खाना भी नहीं खाता है if I'm not around, which of course shows that he loves me so much and he miss me, you know. Even if I'm away for 4 hours or 3 hours or 5 hours or 6 hours, he's like he miss me so much. So he's the best thing. He wants to go out, but not to forget, I don't leave him alone in the room. I stay with him so that he doesn't feel that he's alone in this. No, you're not alone in this. Coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. पहले उस तरफ बैठे थे, अब यहाँ इस तरफ बैठे हैं. So he'll keep on waiting. जब तक डोर नहीं खुलेगा he'll just wait. अब ये पोजीशन में आ गया है, तो जब तक डोर नहीं खोलेगा करवटें बदलेंगी, स्काई के पोजीशंस बदलेंगे, बट he'll quietly wait. यही हाल है ना तुम्हारा. Switching positions for you. You wanna go? You wanna go? Okay, चलो. Hi guys, so right now it's 10:30 in the night and it's so cold. I didn't realize कि बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है and all of a sudden मुंबई में वापस ठंड हो रही है, which is very weird, but like I'm out for a walk and just hold on, I think I should remove my mask. So अभी 10:30 बज रहे हैं रात के and I had no company but I thought I'll just walk a little bit. It's such a good calm place and काफ़ी मन कर रहा था. You know, I had dinner at 7, so आज evening walk भी मैंने miss कर दी, तो I thought, you know, I'll come and go on a walk. So it's such a beautiful weather and normally मैं walk पे निकलती हूँ, I never leave my hair open, but आज so मैंने सोचा चलो ठीक है. And while walking I don't put on mask, so जब भी मैं walk करती हूँ या run करती हूँ मैं mask उतार देती हूँ because that's better. You know, you can breathe fresh air. So right now I'm walking. As you can see, the roads are empty. So bas some more 15 minutes to go. After 15 minutes I'll go back home and it's such a beautiful weather, guys. Like I think I should have worn something warmer comparatively.